Our group consists of 4 members, which is Nur Syahira binti Muhammad Nur Azli, Nur Munira binti Muhammad Ilyas, Nur Munira Azura binti Jamaluddin, and Siti Nurdanisha Atirah binti Muhammad Rizwan, which is me. Next, we will present to you about our group project summary.
Now, let's move to the project summary. Our group decided to choose the student position application system as a main project for the semester. The first thing that will appear in our system is the welcoming sentence as the start of the system, and we will ask students to fill their details such as their names and matric number. The club will appear based on student matric number to ensure that the club are suitable for the course. The club will appear and the student will choose which club they want to join, and the application form will appear after they choose what they want. The application form will show the student's name and matric number based on the details that the student fill when the system starts. Then, the system will ask the student additional details, which is their phone number and email. After the student put all the details in the application form, the list of an available position will appear and the student need to choose what position they desired. After the student choose the position that they want, our system will ask the CGPA of the last semester. And last but not least, the system will ask the student why the club should take you for the position that you applied.
The student position application system was created to make the hiring process easier and more efficient for students. Instead of dealing with paperwork and long waiting times, everything is now organized in one system. One of our main goals is transparency. Students can clearly see what positions are available, what required, and how the selection process works. This removes any confusion and make applying much simpler and fair. We also want to make the application process more convenient. With this system, students can apply anytime, anywhere without worrying about the deadline or missing opportunities just because they were not on campus. Lastly, we aim to eliminate errors. Since students enter their own details directly into the system, there's no need for manual data entry, reducing mistakes and ensuring that all information is accurate. Overall, this project is about making student application faster and fair for everyone. Next, let me explain about the analysis. When a student apply for a position, they input their details like their name, matric number, category, chosen club, position contact, info, CGPA, and why they are applying. Think of this as filling out a basic form. Now, what happens next? The system processes everything. It checks if the student meet the eligibility criteria, make sure they are selecting the right club, and then store their details properly. If they are applying for multiple clubs, no worries. The system loops through it smoothly. Finally, the output ensures clarity. If everything is correct, the student get a confirmation on message. If there is an issue like missing details, they will see an error message at the end. They get need application summary and final message so they know they are all set. Alright, let's quickly go through this flowchart, which outlines the student position application system. It all starts with initializing different club, class, and student categories through variable declaration. Then the main function take over guiding the user through the process. First, the system prompts the student to choose a category using choose category function. Based on their choice, the category function refines the selection. Then the application form collects student detail, ensuring non-error input. Next, the course special club function helps match students to specific club based on their course or interest. Finally, student details including name, matric number, and selected club are stored before the process ends.
Here is the main function flowchart. As you can see, we have repetition control structure, which is a post-test loop. For here, we use do-while loop, where the system will run first before evaluating the condition. Then we have two-way selection. You can see the diamond shape. And then there are multiple calls for other function in the main function, where we have the function box.
And now I will explain to you about my part in algorithm design. As you can see in the slide, we use two systems in this two algorithm design in this flowchart, which is selection control structure and loop. Okay, and as you can see on this in this slide, we use while for the loop, and for the selection control structure we use if else. We use while to make for the student, to make it easier for them to repeat what they want, such as if they choose a club that they desire, it will loop again after they when they say no for the choice that they make.
Here are the three functions that will be called in the main function, which is course special club, application form, and category. For category and application form, the function primarily follows a sequential control structure because it only asks users to choose a category for club and collect users' input step by step without making any decision or looping. For course special club, we use selection control structure and iteration control structure. The selection control structure in this function is implemented using if statement if to make decision whether the student is eligible or not. Moreover, this function uses looping to check if the metric number exists in predefined list.
So today I will show you a demo to our system. First of all, the system will ask for your name and matriculation number. Currently, our system stores some but not all science, math, science computer and agriculture part 1 students matriculation number. Then the system will evaluate the metric number that user inserted. Since I am a science computer student, then the system will alert to me that I am eligible for a course special club, which is cosmics. From here, the system then will ask if I want to apply for the club. If user responded yes, then the system will go directly to the application form. Here, user need to enter their telephone number, email, and like any other form, the system will ask user for their desirable position, CGPA, and reasons why they want to enter the club. Once done, our system will ask if user wants to submit another form. If yes, the system will start again from the welcome message. Back to the course special club. If user say no for a course special club, then the system will show the category menu. For example, if user inserted college, then the system will list the colleges available, and from then user need to enter which college they want to apply. After that, then the system will give them the application form. Let's say if user is not a science math or a science computer or even an agriculture student, the system will directly go to the category menu without informing them that they are eligible for the course special club.
Now, let's move to the first question. How can your system be upgraded or maintained in the future? As technology evolves, it is important to keep our student position application system up to date and running smoothly. One way to upgrade the system is by linking it directly to the university database. This way, student details can be verified automatically, reducing manual work and error. We can also make the system mobile friendly, so students can apply anytime, anywhere without needing a computer. For maintenance, regularly update will be needed to fix any bug and improve security. A feedback feature would also be helpful, allowing the student and administrator to report issue or suggest improvement in the future. Maybe we could even add AI-based recommendation where the system suggests position based on a student interest and past application.
Okay, the most valuable experience that I gained throughout this group project is learning how to collaborate well with my teammate. Okay, as you can see, when I do this group project, I realized that collaborate well with your teammate is the importance to do something or to make the group project becoming well and become a success in the future. And the most thing that I learned from this group project is how to talk without a script in front of the camera, because before I always feel I always lack of confidence when I'm talking in front of camera or in front of everyone, and throughout this project I gain a little more of confidence to talk in front of camera.
What are the advantages of this system? I'll be sharing a few of the advantages. First of all, easy and fast application process. By this, instead of applying to club one by one, students can use this system to search for clubs and apply in just a few clicks. This saves so much time and make the process more convenient. Next, centralized information. All club details, available position, and requirement are in one place. Makes it easier for students to find the right club for them. In addition, it creates a better organization for clubs, which means club administrators can manage application more efficiently. In addition, it creates a better organization for club, which means club administrators can manage application more efficiently.
What motivates our group to develop the chosen system? So we notice most clubs or college committee, whenever they are looking for new members, they will advertise and post their application form in an official group chat. Not to mention, they also use Google Form, which is still mainly used by some, but it is so outdated. This is easy to go unnoticed by most students, especially Part 1 students like us that has just started their university life. We hope this system can help centralize every clubs and communities in one main location so that students have easy access whenever they want to apply for a position.